Last night was cold, but we're gonna get some coffee made, and then apparently the campsite has continental breakfast, so probably cereal. But I really need some coffee. I'm pretty grouchy right now. If somebody had told me I'd be drinking coffee out of a bowl in the middle of Iceland. It's funny where you end up. We didn't notice that the vans next to us have like heaters in the back of theirs. So maybe that'd be a better option than just a van. That's what we have. Just plain van. Oh God, it's terrible. Gross.
I love your bowl of coffee soup.
I think if we ever did this camper van experience thing again, spring for the back heater. Yeah, I think it would make things a lot more comfortable. I mean, not that they're bad. They're just, it's chilly. It's chilly. Roy said he found Sheps. Let's go.
Same corner as yesterday. So.
Just want to pet one. Aww. We're being abandoned by the Sheps. That doesn't work on me, and I don't think it's gonna work on the sheep. Look at that one. It's so pretty. I like their change here. We've got a bunch of fish on them. It's pretty cool.
That's pretty neat.
Pretty neat.
Neat. Assuming that we pay at the pump.
$12 a gallon? Ouch. Don't do any unnecessary driving here. You'll go broke.
Yes. You're gonna open that now. It's gonna stink. Was I right? Was I fucking right? Fucking Christ. That's why I said wait until we're stopped somewhere and we don't stink up the spot that we were sleeping in. But even doesn't think of that shit.
Oh, it's so freaky.
Yeah, it's dried fish.
It smells like fish food. Whee! Better than it smells. I'm into that. It's like the perfect saltiness. Yeah, I'm into this. Correct.
There's even a cafe.
Okay, so we are at one of the most famous waterfalls here in Iceland. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Selfoss? This is the one that you're supposed to be able to walk behind. So we're gonna go check it out. Roy actually has his raincoat on. So pretty proud of that guy. Figured, you know what? We brought it. Might as well use it. Let's go investigate a waterfall. do it. Oh God!
Hurricane wind.
Oh. Why is it so pretty? Now I get why everybody was putting their wet pants away. I guess I could put my head back on.
Yeah, probably.
Really?
No, it's not. 'Cause we're about to go through the really bad part.
Oh shit, you're right.
I know. I was
Is there
like,
like a...
no, there is not.
There's no drawstring. This is dumb.
Mine either.
Yours has them.
Does it? Oh.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
You want
I
to
don't
do
want
it?
No. Stop it.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Yep. Worth it. Definitely worth it. Now we're gonna go check out the other ones down the way. Probably should have saved that one for last because it was the wettest.
I don't know. Like,
oh, I don't need a raincoat.
Sorry guys,
You're okay.
it's a hole to nowhere.
that's what it is.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, there's nothing in here but me.
What is this?
Is it a casket?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Ooh, very spooky. I thought all these waterfalls were gonna be like a long ways apart, like driving apart.
That's a better.
We learned about
Turns out it's just $10 worth of parking.
Yep, this is really cool.
Oh my gosh. How cool! Right. Ah! Thank you. So pretty. Amazing.
You are so.
Yeah, I'm so cute. Amazing. So I bought fancy cool pants that are water resistant, like $100. I am soaked.
Hey, check out the jeans that everybody says shouldn't wear jeans in Iceland.
Yeah, Roy won. But
And my cowboy boots with all my holes.
this waterfall, this was the best one.
Yeah, I agree.
I could skip the other one. That was so cool and well worth the wait. And another thing about Iceland that I'm really enjoying is that how polite everybody is. I mean, everybody just takes their turn. It's pretty cool. Roy's investigating this mound. Oh, yeah.
You are so.
Oh, what? Scared my vitamins roll. sopping wet now. Yeah, this is cool. Sure it's not a ship? It appears to be one of those, what do they call it? Did they call them huts?
I don't know, that's what I was calling them.
No, they call them booths.
Yeah, booze.
But I don't know if those
chieftains used.
Yeah, I don't know if the booths were temporary or...
Well, the rock part was not. They just left it there yearly and then go back and set up essentially a teepee
Booth.
on top of it.
Pretty cool.
Yep. And down the hill we go. I jump. You get a jump.
Ready? Ready?
No,
Jump!
no. All right, Eva. Jump.
Snap! In addition to Icelandic dentistry, let's go see how their medical system is.